Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make some nice and clean transitions. So let's get straight into it. So first what you want to do is just select the background like here. Just whatever you like. So let's go to the layers. Oi no. Handwriting. So choose this like a drawing type. Choose the biggest and choose a color. So let's go with red. And if you mess up, you can just erase it like this. Okay, when you got your first color, just get another one. Okay, now get another one. Get another one. And simply erase it if something goes wrong. And now choose a new color. There was gaps, so erase it. Again. Again. And again. Just go on like that. A gap, so delete it. No, erase it, not delete it. Okay, choose a new color. Erase it. Again. Where is it? There. And here it doesn't look like perfect. You can just ignore it. The audience will not really care. Okay. When you have that done, just leave it. Okay, now it looks like nothing, but add an animation and draw by stroke, and it looks like this. Pretty cool, huh? So, there you have your little transition. It's like dripping candy or something like that. So, moving to the next transition. So again, choose layer, handwriting, the biggest, and now choose like the square here. Again, choose a color, do this, make a little square, and now just make it bigger and bigger. bigger and bigger. The more colors you will like making it, the nicer it will look. But don't go like overboard with it. So next color will be this. Okay. Now if it isn't like centered, put it in the center. Center it, good. Now again, choose a color. So now we want to go like left and right more. That was already. Center it again and just make it like bigger. Done. So now it looks like nothing, of course. And now draw by stroke. It will look like this. Of course, if you want more detail, just add it slower. But we are gonna choose a normal speed. There you have your little like rainbow transition or flipping pages transition, whatever you want to call it. So here's all the like cool effects, dot effects, transitions. So guys, bye bye.